Hey, I'm Marty, and I'm going to be taking you through everything you need to know to study with IELTS. What we'll cover are what the IELTS test is, resources that you can use to help you prepare, tips on how to improve your score, and how to fulfill requirements to be admitted to U.S. colleges and universities. IELTS is a globally trusted language test, recognized by 12,000 organizations worldwide. It sets the standard for English language testing. In the United States, more than 3,400 colleges and universities accept the IELTS, including all Ivy League colleges and top 100 universities in U.S. News' best college rankings. On the IELTS site, you can see if the universities you're considering accept IELTS, so include that as part of your preparation. The IELTS test itself has 4 main components: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. They are available in both the paper test and the computer-based test, and you can choose which option suits you best. To be admitted to U.S. colleges and universities, you will likely need a score overall of 6.0 or better. But you will need to check the individual college's websites to see what you'll need exactly for each school. You may have heard that even though IELTS is accepted by U.S. universities, that some colleges and admissions officials prefer other tests. That's not true. All English language tests, if they are recognized by a university and are listed on their university site, are treated equally. However, some U.S. universities do prefer IELTS, including MIT's postgraduate programs in microbiology and comparative studies. Many people think that IELTS is hard to prepare for, but I'm here with an easy solution. The British Council website has more resources than any other test provider, and many of them are free. And once you've booked your IELTS test with the British Council, you'll also have access to IELTS Ready Premium, which has over 40 mock tests for reading, listening, writing, and speaking. If you've had a go at some of the practice tests and haven't quite got the score that you wanted, don't panic. There are plenty of ways to improve your score, including taking more practice tests, incorporating English into your daily life with friends, and getting someone to evaluate your written English. There are also many free resources from the British Council that will be valuable in your preparation, including the official band descriptor and score samples, as well as the IELTS on Computer Familiar Test Register. Hopefully I've given you a broad overview on how you can unlock the door to U.S. higher education with IELTS. I want to help you find answers to your questions, so stay tuned. In the next episode, I'll be chatting about how you can start your U.S. undergraduate college search. All the resources I mentioned today, they're linked in the description below. So check them out, follow along for more insights, and I'll see you in the next video.